Join the right side board with right front board together by securing shorter screws via L brackets with the Allen wrench provided. Assemble the left side and front boards in the same way. Install the assembled parts with the baseboard by securing shorter screws via L brackets with the Allen wrench provided. Install the upper frame on board 2 and 3, as shown by securing longer screws and washers. Install upper front board. Please note, you would need to use one longer screw to install the upper frame and front board together. Install the lower frame with longer screws and washers. Install the fireplace supporters. Assemble the top cover board with longer screws. Finally, let's insert the fireplace from the back of the mantel and then secure it with screws.